streets are quiet, bottles gone, footprints fading with the dawn. Midnight laughter sleeps somewhere in empty air and cooling cheers. The sky turns blue, the stars give way, a softer light begins the day. We breathe in hope, we breathe in peace as yesterday starts to release. No more counting, no goodbyes, just open hearts and waking skies. After the fireworks fade away and morning finds the light of day, we stand alone yet not apart, with brand new dreams inside our hearts. After the long night says goodbye, the sun rays hope across the sky. This is where the future starts. After the fireworks fade away, confetti sleeps upon the ground, a silent city, sacred sound. Promises we softly keep, written in the air we breathe. No rush, no noise, no reason to run. A year reborn with rising sun. If we fall, we'll rise again. This dawn forgives what might have been. One deep breath, one clean page, a brand new chapter, a brand new age. After the fireworks fade away and morning finds the light of day, we stand alone yet not apart, with brand new dreams inside our hearts. After the long night says goodbye, the sun rays hope across the sky. This is where the future starts. After the fireworks fade away, let the past sleep peacefully, let forgiveness set us free. Every dawn is proof we grow, every step is all we know. After the fireworks fade away, we choose the light, we choose to stay, hand in hand with open eyes, watching new beginnings rise. After the dark